this order from Atlanta Vinyl. Okay, girl Nika from Shackles Off TV. So I ordered a number of things from Atlanta Vinyl. I'm going to show you, these are what we call gang sheets. Okay, gang sheets. So one is, this is some AI art that I created. This is our logo for Shackles Off TV. And I just uploaded, did this in Canva and uploaded it on this gang sheet. Maybe I'll do another video showing you how to do that. This is another AI art that I created for a symbol. And then my logo for my Unshackled Learning channel. And then another print that I had. So all of these are going to turn into either shirts or hoodies or bags or something like that. Okay. So that's one gang sheet. I'm going to load that back up. And I'm going to show you how I will use these gang sheets. I'm actually about to make my niece, whose birthday is today, one more shirt. She is turning 5, but I have a 5'6". And instead of doing sublimation like I did on the last video that I posted earlier, and I need to change my fire, my batteries on my fire extinguisher, so that's what that chirping is. I'll show you this before I start with the other one. So this one is, and I just did different prints. I have thousands of prints. I mean, I don't even know how many. I wanted to test it out because a lot of people are about to graduate this year. Black History Month is coming up, so we have all kind of prints from Atlanta Vinyl. All of these prints, I mean, this is, I'm not going to keep pulling. You know, this probably is 6 feet long. So you have a good amount of prints on here. Okay. I do have, I'm going to put a discount code in my description so you all can get a discount with Atlanta Vinyl. I think for all of these sheets, like I said, over 6 feet of these, you know, gang sheets, maybe more than 6 feet. I think maybe 7 or 8. I've only paid about $100. You know, and these are going, you know, you can sell hoodies, you know, $40 to $45, $50 depending on it. So it comes in a box like this. Okay. And let me do a separate, matter of fact, I'll clip this video up. I want to show you where I keep them. So usually, sometimes, depending on if I travel, maybe I'm doing a travel show. I don't do many shows because my schedule is crazy. So maybe this summer I will. But I keep my gang sheets in like a little file folder like this. I think I'm getting my fill of these file folders, really. But yeah, so they are in a file folder like this. And even if I do, like for example, this is not a gang sheet, this is sublimation. But if I do a whole bunch of prints, you know, I printed this out on my Epson 2800. If I do a lot of prints, I'll just do, you know, keep them here in a file, okay? Just to, and like I did these, this is my logo for my LLC, Shackles Off LLC. And that's the same logo for the channel pretty much. I just put a TV inside of the channel. And these are DTF, okay? But this is actually a print that I actually ordered. But I could make this on my sublimation printer too. It's a Be Kind and sign language. So I keep these prints like this simply because, you know, I'm on the run. Actually, I'm on the way to judge a competition right now. And I'm trying to, as soon as I leave there, I'm going to go to my little cousin's birthday party. So I'm making her something really quick. And that's the beauty of it. Like, you know, I like unique stuff and I don't have all day to be trying to find unique stuff. Like I bought, now this one I purchased on Temu. And this is a DTF print as well. But you can't have your custom stuff. So like, you know, my husband did a custom DTF print, several of his mother and father when they were younger. Neither one of them are here anymore. They passed away. But he did a DTF print of them. And he did put it on canvas and sent it to his brothers and sisters. And they loved it. They was like, how did you do it? You know, so DTF, I love, DTF stands for direct to film. I don't know why this won't open. I'm gonna have to get my scissors. I don't know why it won't open. Stands for direct to film. So I like it best because it's just easier. Let me turn this up. This is my easy press. I'm I don't want to turn on my auto press. My auto press is behind this table here, and like I said, I'm in a rush. The easy press heats up very quickly, and I usually keep it on 305, and it's going to be heated up in the next minute. Like I said, because I am on a time pressure, and we're already 5 minutes into this video. Now, I think this is a cute print. Isn't that adorable? I think that's cute, so cute. I love, you know, this is digital art, and I purchase digital art. I either create it or I'll purchase it. Like if I don't have time and I just want something unique and I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of prompting and all that stuff, or I don't feel like, you know, my husband can, he's an artist, so he can draw it. But, you know, sometimes you just want something quick. So, I'm gonna lay this pad down. I have a shirt here, right? So it's a 5'6" sublimation. I don't really need this shirt, but I don't have a lot of kids stuff. Because most, if you see in the background, I have a lot of inventory. This is really my crafting room. And it's full of different things. But I don't have a lot of stuff that fits young people. I do have a few inventory in my husband's craft room. Because like I said, he's an artist. So I keep my sublimation shirts in there. But again, I don't have a lot of stuff to fit little kids. That's something I have to, you know, get more of. I try not, because it's expensive, y'all. It's expensive to keep a lot of inventory. So let me just show you real quick, because I'll talk your head off. I'm prepping like so, like that. And y'all, I bought these from TikTok Shop. Let me sit still. I got this. I need to do it. These are decals. And I have several little cups and stuff like that I might try. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time to play with it. So we'll do this a different day. These are different little decals. So we'll talk about this later. Okay. So now it's ready. And now I'm going to lay my Teflon sheet over. Get a bigger one. Get a bigger one. Okay. Let me lay this one under it though. Okay. And then just so it won't pick up any, you know, I did sublimation last time. Sometimes it pick up. And I don't have to worry about it bleeding through. Normally, I'll put something between here, but I don't have to worry about it bleeding through because this is DTF and it's not sublimation. Sublimation is ink, so it'll bleed through the ink. And so I'm just sitting here like I'm doing a regular iron. I like it. You want this better, you know, you can use a regular iron. The problem is you can't really control that temperature unless it's a digital iron that goes up to 400 degrees. I just say get this easy press. This easy press might have been $150, I think. Yeah, if you buy it from Michael's, I think they sell them at Walmart too, definitely on Amazon. And you don't have to get the Cricut version. This is the Cricut version. Cricut is a brand, you know, and the brand is a little bit more costly than, let's say, an HTV. Like my auto press is an HTV. So it just depends. The brand is, you know, Cricut is a little bit higher, but you know, it is known. And you see how I'm putting this print on here? All right, so this is the DTF print, and you know it's DTF if it has a clear, you know, and then it has this. You see that? It's like a little. It's a powder on the back. That's how it sticks on. So I'm just going to lay this down in the center. I got this on the tripod and I want to take it off. It's too hard. So it's laid down like that. Okay. I don't need to lay. I don't lay Teflon over it. I don't really need to. And I'm just going to center this. I think this is so cute. And I don't see anybody with it. I like to give people stuff that other people don't got. You know? And I'm going to do this. It's really just, it says 30 seconds. I don't really need this whole 30. 15 works. So I'm going to do half at the top and the other half at the bottom. Again, my time is crunching. I need to be leaving out this house. I live an hour away from where I need to be. Okay, it's at 15 seconds. So now I'm going to press it here at the bottom. Make sure I got it in both areas. Got so many cords, y'all. So many cords. All right, it beeped. And I do use my fingers to touch it. I like to, you know, watch out if you are sensitive. I'm not. Just to make sure the heat is where it needs to be. Okay, because if it doesn't, the good thing about DTF, which is unlike sublimation. If the heat is not heating like it's supposed to be, you can lay this back down and go back over it. Now, does it always work perfectly? No. Does it work on every single surface? Not necessarily, because I tried to DTF my luggage. It kind of worked, but it kind of didn't, because it's peeling a little bit more. So some surfaces it's going to peel more than others. Okay. Trying to see if I got everything. I got that like that. Just like this. And I may do her a little, and like for example, I have so many things, y'all, and like I said, I just don't have time. I get home because, you know, I told you I teach full time, and sometimes I'm just mentally tired, so I can't do as much as my brain wants to do a lot. Now my body, I'm letting this cool down. It's gonna get room temperature, so I'm just showing you a few things here. I have so much stuff, y'all. I got keychains, stuff we want to do. I got all kind of stuff that I just went crazy at Michael's last year and bought Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I went crazy and bought tons of stuff, like tons. These are iron-on patches. I just like playing around with stuff, to be honest with you. A lot of times, if I don't know how to do something, I'll watch a YouTube video. Jennifer Maker and Delonda, Crafting by Delonda, Designs by Delonda, and what else? Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna have to. So I wish I had a little girl shirt. This decal. This is cute. I may do a little shirt, but this says "You can change the world, girl." It's so cute. See, I told you I'll buy stuff and I'm like, I'm gonna use it one day. You know, that's what I do, y'all. That's exactly what I do. This one says love. So these patches I got from a combination of Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and yeah, that's pretty much, you know, that's pretty much it. So this is just stuff I have up here. That you see, I have all these little shelves. This is just a spare bedroom I turned into a craft room, and it's not perfect, but it's here. Okay, like Fantasia said, I'm here. All right, so here it is with the plastic still on, and now we're gonna peel it off. So let me hold it up so you can see. Let's pray that we don't. Now it's pulling a little bit, and sometimes when you hear it pulling, you might have to go back over it. But it seems like it's peeling off okay, and I'm peeling this. Usually I kind of press down. You want it to be fully, you see it only took about a minute or two, right? And now when it has all these little small details, especially if it has a lot of small details, because some of it kind of came off, but it's not the big stuff. That means you didn't have enough heat on that area, or it, you know. But boom, there it is, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Yes, yes, queen. Yeah, so that's gonna be her surprise shirt.